The single-track bypass barn door hardware kit is used when there is insufficient clearance on one or both sides of the doorway. It's also often used when there is insufficient overhead clearance, which is required to mount a double-track bypass kit. The inside door is mounted on the track with a set of straight hangers. The outside door is also mounted on the track, but with a set of bent bypass hangers. This cantilevers it in front of the inner door and allows both doors to stack on top of each other when in the open position. Because both doors are on the same track, they are always overlapping each other and cannot be pulled apart. The inside door is kept from swaying with the use of floor-mounted guides. The outer door is held in place by a guide that is mounted to the front of the inner door. The guide fits under the outer door and into a channel that must be cut into the bottom of the outer door. If you have any questions about this hardware kit, reach out to us today.